Hey guys, today I'm going to be working on this MTD Snowblower. It's got a Tecumseh engine on it, and what's going on with it is that it just kind of wheels over free, and every once in a while makes a clunking noise. If you look down here, I can't see shit from where you're at. But anyways, down there you can see, I can see two valves, and I can see that they're working when I turn it over. I can see the edge of a piston on this side here, and it's not going up or down. Anyways, these are famous for running low on oil, and they throw the rod because there's no oil pump or anything. It's just a splash, and they usually end up putting a hole behind the starter here when they go. I don't know if this one, it's hard to say, it might be an okay block if there's no hole. You can fix them, but it's better when you don't have to. I'm going to get the belts off of it, and I'm going to pull this engine off. I got this beauty here. Been saving this thing for years. Today's our big chance, I guess. This one did have oil in it. It has oil in it now, I should say. Who knows? Looks like she got hot there. Never seen that before. It was melting the plastic to the engine. That's the two auger belts off there. This wheel drive belt, you just pull this little wheel. You can pop that off. Oh yeah, this ain't the right engine. This one here, that's actually the camshaft sticking out to run the wheels. Long time since I see one of them ones. Yes, I'm just looking at this one before we get too far into it to see what we got with this one. That one, the wheels run off the camshaft. Camshaft sticks there, then you got another pulley on it. this one seems like I could probably get it going other than, well, even this might even work, but it's ugly. I don't know if you can see down that one then, if we're going to get any snow this year, huh? Yeah, to the right there. That's a valve. Yeah. Possibly a stuck valve. Yeah, she's mint. Can of compression. And so I might be able to put the rod of that engine on the floor into that engine. Oh baby, with the bad rod. Yeah, soil anyways, drop water, come out and then average looking oil, I guess. Hey guys, when we left off with this one, I was just draining the oil out. Got a little bit of water in there, and it definitely needed an oil change. So I got that done, and I popped the bowl off the carb for now, and just drain the shit out of there, and put some fresh gas in the tank. We're gonna try and fire it up. That one worked out pretty good for a old snowblower for free.
Yeah, that's good. All the belts seem to work. The auger's turning, the wheels are turning.
Yeah, she's doing all the stuff. And then this is the engine off the green one that they said probably got a hole behind the starter. This is where the starter was. This is their hole.
And all the oil ended up leaking out, didn't it?
But only because it was on its side.
Oh, okay.
Anyways, this is what happens. That piece was bolted on there. This piece was cast onto this end and cast onto both ends. Like that. That's two pieces still bolted together. That one's a broken bolt. What happens is this gets galled up from low oil or water or whatever the case. And when it seizes, it just, instead of stopping, it just blows apart. this comes off and hits the side of the case there. So that's that one. We'll have to find an engine for that guy.
Oh well, one of two end up being worth.
Yeah, and I got all the other engine parts off this. That was complete, right? So we got them to work with later.
Alright guys, well thank you for stopping by MacCustoms, and we'll see you in the next video.